This is room 117 of Borgo Egnazia in Puglia. This is where G7 stayed only a month ago. Imagine what some of them would think. It's so understated luxury. The decorations are old books and they're fabulous. Everywhere's ecru. The old books remind me of the Ben Jacoba wall clock at Master Bruno in Priorat, where books are held by their spines to form a radial periphery to the wall clock, and as the radius goes round, the books flop open or closed. Right, we come to the bathroom, and we've got wall set toiletries, 2-head shower, toilets into the left, lovely wash basins, and good lighting. And the bathtub with low set toiletries. Cleverly, they put the robes up on shelves there to maximize the space for the guests. It can be a connecting room. Now, why, you say, is there a trough of salt? It's to collect the humidity. This closet has a yoga mat and slippers and the safe and lots of spare towels and a shelf for the wheelie coming on through. Again, nothing detracts from the overall color scheme, apart from these four lanterns, which are, I think, purely decorative. More books up there. And what have we got in this glass? Very fascinating design. Oh, more books tied up with string and some keys. Linen bedhead. And I love the way the bedhead goes up and forms a canopy over the whole. And this is very clever because there's the minibar and tea and coffee and the television. And I can push this across so you can't see any of that. Just simply see a decoration of twigs. Sockets down there, water, goodies to eat. Thank goodness I've got that yoga mat. And bedside here, I've got a socket. No USBs, I don't think Italy's heard of them. But some more books. And now I'm going to take us, I was hoping to take us outside. That's what I'm doing now. Out onto the balcony, looking down through the bougainvillea and down at olives and cactus and the whole estate that is Borgo in Puglia.